Hi team, welcome in 2023. In this video I'll be going through the details about programming for the upcoming week, which is open prep programming. After building the strength, after solidifying in Olympic style weightlifting, we are now transitioning to more of a conditioning stuff, the stuff that will get you prepared for the open. The open is a great test, but it's kind of specific. There are things that we can prepare for, there are things that we can expect, because there are just certain limitations for what can happen in the open. Going through the aspects of the Metcon, we can expect that for the open, anything between 5 to 20 minutes will be important, will be valid. It is not very possible to go over 20 minutes or under 5, so those are the ranges we're aiming for. Of course, we'll go a bit longer and sometimes shorter in the programming, but in general, keeping in mind that this area between 5 to 20 minutes is our goal. In terms of loading, there won't be those 1 rep max in back squats or so on, but there will be many different stuff and mostly working on a light to moderate weight. In terms of a specific movement, we can expect to see some bar muscle ups, maybe ring muscle ups, because the rings are listed in the equipment list for the open, and probably some handstand walk, so those things will be happening in the programming. And of course it is up to you to scale properly. If you don't have handstand walk, if you don't have ring muscle ups and so on, you'll simply have to scale to the thing that you will develop your skills. So remember that you're going for as good form as you can have in 6 weeks. Of course, for 6 weeks we're kind of building, and there is like a half of a week to just get your recovery right, prepare for the open. For the reps, for the movement, for the ranges of the movements, everything goes. We can expect anything that is possible within the equipment list that has been provided, and you can see it in here. So this is the equipment list, and what is kind of unexpected is the kettlebells. So there are some kettlebells there. Therefore, in the programming, you will see some swings, some snatches with kettlebells, some farmer walks, because we also need a space prepared, maybe for lunges, handstand walking, maybe for farmer carry, maybe for shuttle run, who knows. There will be a lot of rowing intervals, anywhere from 100 meters up to 2000 will happen in the workouts. So that's pretty much it. The open is designed to work as a one piece of a puzzle, of which the other is quarterfinals. So those two combined should give one a good assessment of their fitness level, and that's the way we see it. After the open, we'll head into quarterfinals preparation, which will be harder in terms of movement use, in terms of volume of difficult movements like handstand push-ups, handstand walking, rope climbs, ring muscle ups, bar muscle ups, and some heavier weights. But that's the other discussion for the other time, which we'll head into over like 9 weeks from now. If you're not a part of the CrossFit workout group, where I share some free programming and ideas about programming, about executing the movements, some tips and tricks, click the link in the description and see you in the group. Bye.